Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Gina Nicole, 42 years old, and blessed with two children. I'm married. My child is 11 and 13 years old. My husband is an electrician, and I have only one brother. I came from Iloilo City, a Roman Catholic, and I graduate as Hotel Restaurant Technology. My hobbies are cleaning, cooking, gardening, skirting, and I've been experiencing working as a local worker here in Philippines for 3 years since 2001, and I finished it in 2003. I was taking care of child age 7 years old. I sending her for school, and then um, I do all the household chores, and I've been working as domestic helper in Kuwait since May 2022, and it ends in February 2023. I serve five member of the family. Uh, I taking care of 2 years old kid and 6 years old sister, and aside from that, I do all the household chores, including cleaning, marketing, and cooking. Currently, I'm still working here in Philippines, and I do hope you will still choose me as your worker. I try my best to finish my contract, and if ever I blessed, I will continue working until my children have finished to study. Thank you very much, and God bless.